This is how modern factories process crocodile materials with efficiency and regulation. Drying chambers regulate moisture levels to maintain consistent quality.
Advanced cleaning systems remove impurities while preserving the natural texture of the hide.
Each crocodile hide is carefully inspected to ensure quality and compliance with industry standards.
The hides are treated in controlled drums to improve durability and flexibility.
Trained professionals trim and prepare the hides for further processing with high precision.
This factory processes crocodile materials using regulated industrial methods.